So in today's video episode, we're going to talk about our Ringgit Malaysia, which pretty much go down to the drain. We are reaching a historic low of 4 ringgit and 80 cents versus the US dollar. So this is not good. Ringgit hits a low of 4.79 against US dollar as investors flock to haven currency. The ringgit reached a low of 4.79 against the US dollar at noon today as jittery investors rushed to accumulate the safe haven currency amid heightened geopolitical tension. The local note has depreciated almost 0.9% against the US dollar in the last week. As a real estate agent in Malaysia for 12 years, I can safely say that when the ringgit depreciates, real estate price always goes up. But that's also subject to the area and what sort of property. In most cases, prime area property price will always go up, especially the landed property. The reason why I say that is because the materials price has increased tremendously due to the currency exchange. So because most of our raw materials are imported, and also because most of our construction labor comes from abroad, the foreign labor nowadays demand a much higher pay for them to do the specific job as compared to previously due to the currency exchange. Muamalat Malaysia Bhd Chief Economist and Social Finance Head Dr. Muhammad Afzanizam Abdul Rashid, speaking to Business Times, explained that during period of economic uncertainty, the US dollar typically acts as a safe haven currency, prompting forex traders to allocate more of their holdings to it. Also, the US Fed is not in a hurry to reduce their benchmark interest rate given a series of economic data that supports the view that their economy is still robust. The latest numbers that we saw was a retail sales which grew by 0.7% month-on-month, which was higher than the consensus estimates of 0.4%, he added. Afzanizam explained that there is always a possibility for a ringgit to hit 4.7 to the US dollar as the value of the currency is market driven. Hence, the highlighted uncertainties would cause the ringgit to overshoot, but as the situation would improve at a point, ringgit would be experiencing a reversal in trend. That is the nature of the currency market, he said. Afzanizam said so far the ringgit weakness is only limited to the US dollar, with it holding up well, even appreciating against the other currencies such as the sterling, euro, Singapore dollar and Thai baht. Professionally, what is going to happen to our ringgit Malaysia? Honestly, I have no clue. I'm not a financial guy. Don't take any financial advice from me, especially as a YouTuber right now. So you do your own due diligence, but as per real estate is concerned, if you have money, don't put it in the bank. Buy alternatives such as gold or even invest in real estate, at least to hedge against inflation, because money sitting in the bank won't grow, especially since FD is not giving very high interest rate. Might as well hedge it against a commercial or industrial property which give you a good ROI return such as 4.5 or 5%, or some even getting 6% of ROI. There are such property exists. You need to engage your real estate agents and ask them to hunt for this sort of property. Of course, there are some other property which have lower ROI, about 4 or slightly above 4.5, but they are in very good location. You might want to consider them as well. As for residential property, always go for landed property. Don't invest in any high rises because there are too many around in Malaysia right now and they are oversupplied. If you're buying for own stay, by all means go ahead. I think it's alright if you like those type of facility and you like to live in the sky, by all means go and buy them. But for an investment point of view, try to avoid that as much as possible, because as a realtor myself, I also own a couple of high-rise and I can't even sell them even at the loss. I have many clients who own high-rises who also face a similar situation like me. So that's all for today's video topic, and if you like it, smash the like button so that YouTube algorithm will promote this video for everyone else to see. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you might want to consider by clicking on the subscription button below, and I'd love to have you as my subscriber. That's all for today. I'm Chester Cheng. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.